अब हम करेंगे इंसिया के साथ एक फन एक्टिविटी एंड वी गोना आस्क हर व्हाट्स इन व्हाट्स आउट ताकि आप लोगों को पता चले व्हाट्स ट्रेंडिंग राइट नाउ. सो इंसिया, आई एम गोना आस्क यू सम क्वेश्चंस. यू गोना हैव टू आंसर देम रियली क्विकली. शॉर्ट कमीज, लॉन्ग लेंथ? बोथ. हाँ, because it depends on the fashion, right? Solid print या busy print?
Oh, solid.
Solid is so good. I love solids. अच्छा, bell sleeves or full sleeves?
Oh, full sleeves.
Full sleeves, yeah. Fitting या loose fit?
I love loose fit.
Loose fits. They look so elegant ना?
Yes.
Fitting वैसे भी नहीं अच्छी लगती. Pencil trouser या शलवार? यहाँ पे खुले पहुंचे वाली शलवार भी होनी चाहिए थी, because I think.
Yes, farshi shalwar.
फर्शी शलवार.
I think both.
Yeah, farshi shalwar. Acha, listen. So, I'm going to take a moment to actually discuss the farshi shalwar with you. Why is the internet breaking over the farshi shalwar? Please
Insia Sohail is not doing it.
Huh?
Insia Sohail
is not doing it.
I think we have enough farshi shalwar available right now. I've decided I'm not venturing into it.
You're not, but औरतें पागल हो रही हैं farshi shalwar.
It is nice, of course.
Comfy है बहुत. अच्छा, flayed शरारा या गरारा पैंट?
गरारा. Please leave it as a garara.
हाँ, leave it as a.
में मत ले आए. वो वैसे ही रहने दे.
वैसे ही रहने दे. Off shoulder top या cold shoulder top?
Both look lovely.
Both look lovely.
It depends on how you carry it.
How you carry it. Absolutely, I love it too. Boot cut pants या tulip pants? These are boot cut, right?
These are boot cut pants. Look very nice. If you're petite, it gives you height.
अगर आप कद में छोटे हैं?
Yeah, if you wear with high heels,
yeah,
it'll give you nice length. Right? Boot cut pants are nice.
Boot cut pants.
And what was the other thing?
Tulip pant.
Tulip. Oh, I like that too. Looks very smart, very elegant with a mid-length kurta. बहुत अच्छी लगती हैं.
Okay, great. हम कर रहे हैं एक fun activity on what's in and what's out के ताकि आप लोगों को पता चले कि ईद पे how can you look on point. And Insia is actually telling us. अभी हम discuss करेंगे fringes या tassels. Tassels.
Fringes also. I use both.
Yeah, they look fun.
Yeah, yes.
They add dimension. Angrakha या pishwas?
I'm not either of them.
Oh really?
Yeah, I like classic stuff.
Yeah.
मुझे अच्छा लगता है.
Yeah.
But ये सारी चीजें for wedding wears में
अच्छी लगती हैं.
Yes.
Angrakha लोग normally तो नहीं पहन सकते. Like, can you imagine a woman wearing angrakha on Eid?
Long angrakha with a tang pajama looks बहुत अच्छा लगता है. तंग पजामा के साथ अगर बना हुआ with a nice अच्छे flare के साथ बना हुआ हो.
हाँ, of course. Yeah, you're right. But angrakha, yes, does seem a bit formal. Sharara या plazo? Sharara. Capes or ponchos?
They both have, उनका दोनों का अपना style है. There are choices, of course. There are some women who can carry both well.
Yeah.
So yeah, these are trends. I mean, you know.
Of course.
और person choices पे होती हैं.
And body type पे भी
body
type पे भी होता है. So you know, let's say I have really broad shoulders, right? So someone like me, मुझ पे cape अच्छा लगेगा या poncho? Poncho.
Yeah, because it's a loose cut.
Loose cut.
Yeah.
Of course. अच्छा, long frock gowns या maxis?
That's a tough one. Frock gowns, yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Plain sari या printed sari?
Plain sari.
I
love sari. I do a lot of sari.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I think I've seen you in a sari as well. Very pretty. Was my sister's dolki, I think. Nice. अच्छा, but tell me something. आजकल ये block print, hand painted साड़ियाँ भी चल रही हैं. How do they look?
They look nice. You see, Rija, it's all about aesthetically done.
Yeah.
How it's been done. How you carry it. You know, how you accessorize yourself.
True.
सारी चीजें मिलती हैं. एक outfit सिर्फ एक outfit नहीं होता.
True.
इसके साथ बहुत सारी
चीजें होती हैं. अच्छा, माथा पट्टी या मांग कटिका? What do you prefer?
मैं दोनों करती हूँ.
अच्छा.
तो माथा पट्टी हम ज़्यादातर ब्राइडल्स में करते हैं.
Yeah.
You know, और टीका अगेन अगर जैसे अंगरखा की हमने अभी बात करी.
Yeah.
तो उसके अगर टीका लगा दो तो वो it gives that complete traditional look. Yeah.
अच्छा, heavy neck choker या कुंदन sets?
Heavy neck choker बहुत.
Heavy neck chokers. Yeah. All right. अच्छा, and I'd love to ask you as well कि one fashion rule you'd love to break. कभी अगर if there's something you can do, what would you do?
Breaking rules. That's something so hard for me to do.
Really? Yeah, true Capricorn.
True Capricorn, right? But अगर rule तोड़ना ही पड़ेगा, so then probably I will off shoulders. I'll start doing more of that.
More of that? Yeah. Okay, cool. Yeah. But that's not really breaking a rule, really. Off shoulder, though, I think some. Like, I mean, would you do a really odd combination?
I guess I'm being modest in that way.
Acha, what do you think of a like
bold
purple
color.
and a yellow?
Yeah, bold colors.
Purple and a yellow combination together, I remember काफ़ी teachers को पसंद नहीं आता, even though हम जब पढ़ रहे थे तो color wheel में बताते थे कि purple and yellow is okay together. But somehow it doesn't translate in jodas that well.
You know, I have a line I did last year. I'm still getting very good response on it. And it's by the name Simply Pret, and उसके अंदर एक section है color blocking.
Ah, color blocking.
And I've done clothes with different color blocks.
अब हम जाएंगे एक्चुअली एक फन एक्टिविटी की तरफ जिसके अंदर हम सिजलिंग हॉट क्वेश्चंस एंड आंसर्स पूछेंगे इंसिया से एंड लेट्स सी व्हाट योर टेक ऑन दैट इज. पहला सवाल, कैन यू डिफाइन योर पर्सनल स्टाइल इन अ कपल ऑफ वर्ड्स?
Okay, so my personal style is very casual.
Casual? Yeah. I think I would agree.
Because I do clothes day in, day out.
Yeah.
I think when I want to come from with myself, I'm very casual.
Very casual.
Very simple.
And you're very actually, guys, आप लोगों को actually पता हो या शायद ना पता हो, but Insia is an avid trekker as well. She works out. She is, you know, her fitness journey is really something you need to hear about. तो तभी I'm pretty sure वो मेरी तरह आपको normal days में tracks and t-shirt में ही मिलती होंगी, है ना? I can relate with that. अच्छा, how do you handle criticism? अगर आपको कोई बोले कि
criticism actually can, if you take it constructively, positively, probably can, you get to know something which you can actually improve.
Change,
yeah, in terms of work, as a person, because nobody is perfect, right?
Of course.
Yeah, so
then it works for you that way. ठीक है, तो you handle it well.
Yeah.
अच्छा, statement earrings या bold necklace?
Bold necklaces.
Bold.
And statement earrings actually. Yeah. And I have a lot of statement earrings.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow. I see you as a statement earring person as well. Sneaker या heel?
Heels.
Ah, nice.
I love heels.
But hey, listen, that's a tough one. You're completely a sneaker person.
Actually, you know, I am both.
Yes.
So I've got a whole collection of sneakers.
Yeah.
And another whole cupboard
They're
of...
literally two parts of who you are.
Yes, I am actually, yes.
Yes.
So whatever you're going to ask, I am both.
Dude, I'm the same. I'm the same. I have just as many sneakers as I have heels. So I can totally relate to that. We have the same vibe. Acha, 3 celebrities whose style really inspires you.
Oh, so my personal favorite in terms of my work is Farida Hassan from Lahore. I love her work. And Iqbal Hussain.
Yeah, Iqbal Hussain is pretty good.
Beautiful, very feminine clothes.
Very nice.
Faraz Manan.
Faraz Manan is
beautiful
good too.
clothes.
Absolutely.
And very subtle pastel shades. The colors I like.
Yes, absolutely. I agree. Acha, favorite desi fashion trend kaun sa hai?
Desi fashion trend. ये बड़ा मुश्किल सवाल आपने.
Because you're not so much desi.
No, but Nomi Ansari would be a very good example.
Yeah, but like any trend that you like अंगरखा हो गया, गरारा हो गया, शरारा हो गया ऐसा.
पेशवाज जो not पेशवाज but कलीदार कुर्ते जो होते हैं. I love कलीदार कुर्ता. I do that a lot. Saris. I don't know if it's going to fit into the traditional, but I'm a...
sari is traditional.
Yeah, I love wearing saris. I've got a lovely collection of saris myself.
From
my mom and myself also have collected over the years.
How lovely.
Yes.
How lovely. Acha, pajamas or power suit?
Pajamas.
One trend जो कभी समझ नहीं आया.
मुझे जो कभी dungarees.
You know, at one time I was so obsessed with them that my friends used to be like, तुम पेंट कर आ रही हो?